This is my 93 Civic. And this is a coin Hyperspec. And here is 1, 2, 3 more. I've been rocking these black Steelies for God knows how long. And I think we need a change. So it's about time I got some rims. But let me tell you more about the wheel. These are the coin Hyperspec flow form. See, it has a 4x100 bolt pattern and it is a 15x8, which is a stock wheel size for this car. Look how small this wheel is. So cute.
Oh my God, bro.
No, I haven't done many mods to the Civic. As you know, I have the air intake, which is I still love this air intake. Carbon fiber, glossy, shiny, smooth as a baby's bottom. We also have the Spoon Sports license plate in the back. Well, license plate is cover, but you know what I'm talking about. This thing is still so sick. This will just add to the aura of the mods I already have on this car. Okay, maybe it's not a lot of aura, but chill. Like, look at the wheel, and just imagine this on here. I'm still trying to figure out what tire I'm trying to run on these wheels for the Civic. I'm not really sure if I should go with some Yokohamas or I don't know yet. But the thing I love the most about this wheel is how freaking light it is. Compared to the stock wheel that came with the Civic, this thing is so freaking light. And if I get the right tire with the right fitment, I don't know what I could do. I might be doing some dangerous stuff in this car. Pick it up with one hand without even straining. So I just looked at my hand. The wheel's so dirty. Look at the inside. Yeah. Oh my God. I don't think you guys can see that, but that thing's nasty. I really think I'm gonna go and change this goddamn exhaust, bro. This exhaust, after a while, it gets annoying. Like, after a while, well, like, when you first hear it, yeah, it still sounds pretty bad. But, like, when you first hear it, it's alright. You get used to it. But now, I'm over this thing. This thing rattles. It's so small. I'm thinking probably of getting, like, a Spoon Sports one or something else. Something nice. You know what I'm saying? Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you, because I'm not even sure I'm going to get many views on this, but I just want to show you guys my new wheel and what I'm planning to be doing with it. I'm still trying to figure out the tire. I'm still trying to figure out suspension and everything, but once I do get it figured out, trust me, this Civic will look so good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.